This is Matt, and this is a short video on how to create a community on Kajabi. So I'm right here on products. If you're not familiar, you're not actually here. You've got the sidebar, you've got dashboard at the top, you've got products, and we're going to click on all products. So once you're on this products menu right here, you're going to see any products that you actually have on your Kajabi account. You can see just a couple of my courses on this particular account. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on new product right here, this black button, click on new product. We've got all of the We've got all of the usual options like course, podcast coaching, so on and so forth. And we have community right here, the green one. Click on community. And then we need to click on get started, this black button at the bottom. So we click on get started. Now we need a name for our group. Let's just call the group test group for now. And we click continue. Now, depending on your membership level and what you actually pay for Kajabi, you'll have a certain number of communities. On my price plan, they change the price plans all the time, so it gets kind of confusing, but I think I have 3 communities, a possibility of 3 communities right here on my particular Kajabi. Yours might be different, you might have more, you might have less. Now, we need to actually price our group to begin with. So we've got the free option, so we can just skip everything for now. We can go free or we can go paid. So if you want to go paid, you have a choice between one-time payment. You've got the subscription, so that will be a weekly or a monthly billing for subscribers. There's a one-time payment right here, the payment plan, and the free option as well, which just brings you back to here. So you've got free, and you can click save and finish. If you just want a free group, maybe you're running a group and you're hoping to promote your course through there, so you can just have a free group, let everyone in, or you can have a paid group, and you're going to follow the process right here. So you're going to select like the payment type. Do we allow Stripe? Do we allow PayPal? So on and so forth. You're going to set your price right here. So maybe it's sort of $90 a month, maybe it's $50 a month, whatever it is right here. You've got a range of currencies, of course, as usual, and then you're just going to click save and finish. So I'll just show you the free version right now. So we click save and finish on free, and just like that, our community should be created. So within a particular community, you've got different kinds of access groups right here. So we've got the test group right here that I just created. We've got offers right here, so I can create an offer for this particular community as I showed you before. And then we've got the settings right here, so you can start to customize things a little bit here. You can add your title, you can add your description, add a cover image just to make things look really nice. And we can go to our community. We can start pushing people to this community. We can start getting them to interact, and all of so we've got time zone right here. We can click continue, and we can start to actually customize this a little bit. So maybe we want to go with blue right here. We could go with green. There's gray. So this is just kind of the accent color right here. You see there's green there. When I click, we start to see the accent color on certain places around the community. You can see it right up here as well, where the offers are for new. Let's go with blue, so you see that changes. I think that looks quite nice. We click next. Now there's a new and improved navigation menu. So this is just kind of a little wizard telling us about different things. I mean, this looks awfully like Facebook to me. So you've got the kind of cover photo at the top, which we can design in just a moment. So like I say, this is just taking us through the different aspects. You can click through that and see what you think of those different options. But in order to kind of customize things, I'm going to click here. I can start to actually flesh out the bio of my main guy right here, my main posting account. I can check out the feed, and you can do challenges, meetups, leaderboards. There's all sorts going on here depending on how many people you have and what kind of community you're running. You can even schedule posts right here at the bottom, which can be helpful with certain implementations. But hopefully you found this video on this was just the raw nuts and bolts of how to actually create a community on Kajabi. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.